Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Today I have 4 spring journals that I'd like to share with you. These journals have soft covers with 3 signatures. I used craft text and fabric for the covers. Each journal cover is decorated with beautiful images of birds and then paper buttons. I also used lace and I stitch all around the covers. I will list these journals as spring journals, but these are really generic. They can be used for summer or for any other season. They all have similar closures. I use elastic and beautiful buttons for the closure. I used pamphlet stitch to bind the signatures. And then for the inside pages, it is a combination of various scrapbook paper, parchment paper, coffee stain paper, book pages and notebook pages, and also music sheets. There are some envelopes and pockets, but I did not really embellish the pages too much because these are writing journals and the owner can just decorate as she goes. For the inside covers, I used wallpaper. I also used scrapbook paper. This wallpaper is only $1 from the thrift store and it's really nice. So this is what I used for 2 of the journals. Just to show you, I have another journal that I am still finishing. So this is the inside cover. This is the wallpaper and this is the cover. So this probably will be done in a couple of days. The cover is done, so I'm just putting the signatures together. But look how beautiful this wallpaper is. And it's only $1 for the full roll. And then for the decorations in the cover, look at these beautiful paper buttons. I love using them because they are not bulky. And then for the back, they are plain. And then I use big eyelets. The only back that I decorated was the pink one. I decorated with beautiful lace. I love these covers and they are sturdy because I use the craft text, which is a paper fabric. So this will last for a long time. Okay, so let's take a look inside. are the new journals that will be in my Etsy shop. I will try to list them tonight. They are great writing journals. They make beautiful gifts. You can add as many decorations or ephemera as you go because this journal can expand. I hope you like these projects. Let me know what you think. And thanks again everyone for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Have a blessed week and God bless you. Before I go, I'd like to say hello to Aisha, Jen, and James. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye now.